played at high volume.
Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have today, you see the orange box. We're going to get straight into it. We got the Nike Air Max Deluxe in Midnight Navy and Laser Orange. Now, this is an OG classic right here. You know what I'm saying? Here it is. The Nike Air Max Deluxe OG. Now, I'm going to tell y'all, man. I'm going to keep it real with y'all, man. Look. This thing is banging, man. Bring back so many memories, man, to where I don't really know what to say, man. You know, this is a classic, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of you younger heads might not know nothing about this, but it is what it is, man. Now, looking at the shoe, on the bottom, you see you have the black and purple outsole. That's nice. You can see you have the blend of light blue, yellow, and gold with the reflective accents, all on the neoprene upper. That's dope. You see you got the purple and blue plastic overlays on the toe box and the heel and the midsole. You know, so like I say, man, I think it's a dope shoe, man. It's good to see a classic like this coming back. You know what I'm saying? And I think these release on what is it? July 25th, I believe. I'm not sure, so y'all gotta excuse me, man. I'm trying to do a lot of things again, you know, so I ain't get to do my research. I just know one thing: they in the building. Looking at the shoes, man, both of them identical. There's no difference between the two. You see the insole. Now on the inside of this shoe, man, they got like a velvet, like a real soft cotton. I can't really describe how the material feels, you know what I mean? But it feels good. There's a look at that purple, that royal purple air unit. As you can see, it's dope, man. Now there's a couple of people that I talked to, they thought this was like that flight positive material. They thought it was hard, but it'll tell you that it's not, you know, so it should be pretty comfortable against the heel of your foot. You know what I mean? So there's a look at the top toe box with your little gold Nike check or your swoosh, whatever you prefer to call it. You know, and that's about it, man. You know, that was a quick look at the Nike Air Max Deluxe OG. Now, I read a few articles saying that this shoe is for women only, but I don't know. Hit the lights. See what happens when you hit them lights, man? That's nice. That's dope. You know, a lot of people gonna like that. But anyway, man, look, a lot I've been hearing, you know, that these are gonna be for women only, but on the box it don't say nothing about that. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna have to wait and see what's happening with it. That was my look at the Nike Air Max Deluxe OG. You know, subscribe to the channel, man. Turn notifications on. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504, and I'ma holla back.